everyone. Today I will be showing you how to connect to your Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.8.1. So the first thing you need to check is if you're connected to your router or Ethernet network. So go on the right menu here, click on the Wi-Fi settings, and just check if you're connected to your Wi-Fi router. In my case, it's a TP-Link. The next one, we need to validate the IP address. So go to the search bar here and type in CMD and open command prompt. Here, just type in ipconfig and press enter. And here you can see your default gateway is the IP address. Now you can just copy it, open any type of browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. Go to navigation bar and copy here the IP address and press enter. And here you can see the login page for the router. The standard login and password is admin for the TP-Link routers. So you can just type in admin for the login and also admin for the password. Now press enter. And here you are successfully logged in into your router dashboard. You can change different settings, but also, for example, if you want to change the IP address, you can go here on the left menu, click on network, then click on LAN, and here's your IP address. So if you want to change it, change numbers, click on save, and if you're done, you can log out. And that's everything for today. Hope this helps. Please do not forget to subscribe.